Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a video in your Odoo website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will need to do is log into your Odoo account, and then once you're here, you will go to website, and then you will of course select the website that you want the video in. And once you're here, you will click edit, which is right here, and then what you will have to do is scroll down a little until you see um this. So once you see video, what you will have to do is click that and insert it wherever you want to place it. So for example, you want to insert it there. So what you will have to do next is you will paste your video code. It could be URL or embed, so it really depends on you. And of course, you could choose your icon as well. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And you will just have to click add once you're satisfied with your video, and your video will be here. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And you could also adjust the size and the alignment if you want. And that's basically it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.